Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into 10 simple tips to optimize your Windows PC for better performance. Whether you are a gamer, student, or just someone who wants a smoother experience, these tips will help you get the most out of your system. Let's get started. Tip 1. Disable startup program. First up, let's disable unnecessary startup programs. Press Ctrl Shift Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable the programs you don't need at startup. This will speed up your boot time. Tip 2. Uninstall unnecessary programs. Next, uninstall programs you no longer use. Go to Control Panel, then Programs, then Programs and Features, and remove any software that is just taking up space. Tip 3. Update Windows and drivers. Make sure your Windows and drivers are up to date. Go to Settings, Update and Security, and check for updates. Updated software can improve performance and security. Tip 4. Clean up disk space. Run disk cleanup to free up space on your hard drive. Search for disk cleanup in the Start menu and then select the drive you want to clean and follow the prompts. Tip 5. Adjust power settings. Adjust your power settings for better performance. Go to Control Panel, search for power options, and select High Performance. This can make your PC run faster but may use more energy. Tip 6. Disable visual effects. Next, disable unnecessary visual effects. You go to Control Panel, search for Advanced System Settings, then under the Performance section, click Settings and choose Adjust for better performance. Tip 7. Defragment your hard drive. Defragment your hard drive for better data access speeds. Search for defragment and optimize drives in the Start menu. Select your drive and click Optimize. Tip 8. Check for malware. Scan your computer for malware. Use Windows Defender or any trusted antivirus software to run a full scan and remove any threats. Tip 9. Manage background process. Manage background process. Open Task Manager and check the Processes tab. End tasks that are using too much CPU or memory, but be careful not to close essential system processes. Tip 10. Upgrade your hardware. Lastly, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM or switching to an SSD can significantly boost your PC's performance. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you optimize your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. See you in the next video. Thank you.